Now is the perfect time to start moving your body more, whether you're walking or doing yoga or even your favorite pastime. And today I'm going to show you outfits that are stylish and also really easy to move in, because they say that sitting is the new smoking. So let's get off the couch and get exercising, get moving. And this outfit that I'm just about to show you, it's great for walking outdoors, and it's good for 3 seasons, and it's got 6 tips to show you. Let's take a look. I love wearing this outfit, especially while walking. The pants are by Belief, and they have an elastic waist and zippered pockets. It's available in 5 colors up to 2XL, and last time I checked, they were 20% off at just $37. Underneath, I have a Hanes cotton camisole that also goes up to 2XL and has adjustable straps. It's available in 6 colors, and last time I checked, it was also on sale for less than $15. Now I have a great fashionable item I want to share with you. It's a UV protection up to 30 SPF overtop with a hood, pockets, and zipper. This is very easy breezy and perfect for warmer days. It's available in 6 colors to size 3XL, and once again, this is also on sale for just $30. And if the weather is cooler or for nighttime, how about my newest hoodie that I picked up in navy with a gold zipper? It's on sale for $40, and if you don't like navy, there's 16 other colors to choose from. As for my sneakers, my favorites and always at the front door to slip in and out of, because they're Skechers slip-ins at an unbelievable 41% off for just $42. And they also come in wide sizes. Add a cap, sunglasses, my water bottle, and this handy bottle bag, which is just $18. And then I'm all set for my 10,000 steps. And as usual, I have most of the items underneath the video description and also in the comments. And of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you'll find all my favorite fashions. But we also just added a body health section, and that has clothing, accessories, and also some equipment to help you with your body health. And talking about body health, my daughter Tara and I, we've worked 4 months in creating a special program for you, and it has 26 videos in it, plus a community, plus journaling, all kinds of different things. And you're going to find exercises on agility, on balance, on strength, and on endurance. And then with Tara, who has been in the wellness and yoga industry for over 6 years, what are you going to have in that program, Tara?
So the program also includes gentle exercises like Qigong, meditation, yin yoga, including chair yoga, and some self-massage techniques with acupressure to help reduce tension and bring more ease into the body.
And those acupressure things that you've taught me have really helped me, especially with my knees. But how do you find this program? Well, you just go to www.agewellwithheather.com. Don't forget the www. That's really important. And just click on the more info, and we'd be so excited to have you join us there, exercising and also in the community. But for now, we got to get back to the video. All right, here's another styling tip for you. I have tried the sports bras, and probably you have too. I don't know, I find them very confining. I find that a lot of them don't have the adjustable straps. So the bra that I like to use when I'm exercising, doing yoga, or whatever, even just walking, is the Easy Does It bra, and this is by Warner's. I love the padding. You can see it's a solid bra. There's adjustable straps on the back for sizing on the back, and the adjustable straps here that, again, you don't really see those a lot in the sports bras. And again, there's so many sales in this video, I just can't believe it. 52% off. You can get this bra in other colors as well for $20, and it's by Warner's, and that's just an incredible price for this. Okay, let's take a look at another outfit, and this is great for doing your stretching or maybe yoga. All right, it has 5 tips in it, so let's take a look. Now, we don't have to wear tight little tops showing our bellies when we're stretching or doing yoga, especially when you're doing the at-home yoga or chair yoga that Tara teaches. I'm wearing the Under Armour top, and this is in that special tech fabric that wicks away sweat and is fast drying, and on sale, yep, for just $20 and available in 12 other colors. I'm also wearing my favorite leggings by Belief with a tummy hugging waistband, and they have pockets. They have inseams for both petite and tall, and they go up to 3XL in 14 colors. And you guessed it, last time I checked, they were also on sale for just $26. And by the way, they also come in regular sizes too, besides petite and tall. And when I'm just doing my stretches at home, I just wear a pair of sockets and remember what I taught you about cutting them off at the ankles so they don't slip off. And I also wear a pair of ballet slippers. These are from Isotoner and they're just $15. Of course, on sale. I wanted to show you something amazing that I found, and it's a 1-inch thick yoga mat, which I find much more comfortable than the thin ones, and it's just $38. It'll certainly keep you more comfy while you're doing your stretches. And if you like styling and inspirational videos like this one, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I'd love to have you join us. Oh, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, because if you don't, you probably won't see my newest video. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to stay until the end of this video, where once again I'll have an inspirational message for you. But for now, let's look at a few more tips, and this time I'm talking about being at home, and maybe these are clothes that you can wear while you're in the kitchen, doing some dancercise to your favorite music, and well, let's take a look. I wanted to show you an at-home outfit that will inspire you to keep moving and even get into a routine that's easy to follow, like what Tara and I feature in our program. First, the yoga pace pants. I love these, and even if I'm going to the grocery store, they're still stylish, as they're not like joggers. They have this boot cut kind of hem on them. They're super stretchy and have that tummy tucking waistband. They come in petite, regular, and tall sizing and are just $35. I also love how they cover my big size 10 shoes. And these are my Nike favorites, great for exercising or walking. And I found a similar pair for you for $80. Now I thought I'd have some fun with this outfit, so I have my Aging Like a Fine Wine t-shirt, and it's also available in white with red wine that I designed with Tara. And we have this available on Amazon in many colors for just $19.99. And talking about aging like a fine wine, I really wanted to do this video and the other one that I did recently on actual exercising, because I want to help you. I want to help you and the woman you are today, but also the woman you're going to be 5, 10, even 20 years from now. Sitting truly is the new smoking. And I don't want that kind of analogy to describe myself, even though I know I'll be watching a streaming service and they'll have some kind of a, I don't know, TV show, I guess you call it, and it'll have 6 episodes and it's like, more, next episode, more. And then all of a sudden I take a look, oh my gosh, I've been sitting for 4 hours. And you know, that is one of the reasons why Tara and I, we talked about it and we said, we've got to get a program, not just for ourselves, but to share with all of our followers. And here's an easy way if you just want to find it after this video. Just go to www.agewellwithheather.com and click on more info. Now it's very important that you put the www dot in front of it. So that's very important. But anyway, I just find that, we got to keep moving. And those exercises, yoga's help that from Tara, and also the calming so you can sleep better at night. They're for any size that you are or any kind of age that you are, because you just do them at home. Many of you who have followed me for years know that I really want you to be the best version of yourself. And you know what? You're the biggest project that you'll ever work on. And sometimes we just have to restart, reset, and refocus. And of course, if we're doing a little bit of movement, have some comfy, stylish clothes. And for me, it's just another way to be loving our age.